सबको हाय बोल के जाए, एक बारी सब याद कर रहे हैं तुझे।
Sup? Hi, peeps. Learn something good today. Education.
Yeah, I was learning two things today. Hello, hold it. I had to learn two things today. First, how to pin my subject so that people know what we are talking about. And I also wanted to learn from Malvika because the other day we had some amazing well wishers who were bothering us. So I wanted to know how to block them from that particular chat. So you guys must be wondering how come today Malvika is on Sir's chat. But yes, I was pretty okay with it, but she didn't like it. She said you need to block them right there. You should not allow any nonsense to come into your group. So yes, I now learned today. When people come and they misbehave, you know what to do with them. Simply delete them. There are hundreds and thousands of videos on YouTube and every channel on gratitude and on understanding what magic gratitude can bring in our lives. But I still believe that the power of gratitude has been underestimated. It has been less spoken of. It has been understood but not applied. And thanks to the law of attraction that taught us how magic of gratitude can work. So today we'll be doing that, but before that I must start today's session with a little pain in the heart, talking about what one more natural calamity has hit our country in Calcutta and in Orissa. So people from there who do not have internet have been chatting with me on a personal chat and telling me to record because they may not be able to join today. You must have heard about the cyclone Amphan, which has hit West Bengal and Orissa. My heart goes out to all you people there. On that note, let us start. So this is one reason that all the people around, not around Calcutta or Orissa, to feel one more reason to be gratitude. Trust me, when I say the power of gratitude is underestimated, I mean it is underspoken or understood, is because we have not actually really applied the gratitude. Trust me, if you were to start what I call as a gratitude journal, which I will share with you, I have been maintaining for years now, almost over 10 years. So let's start by understanding what is gratitude. The quality of thankfulness and the quality of appreciation is what we call as gratitude. This is what we bring magic in our health. What gratitude does is brings us better relationships. It brings us much more money than we can ever handle. It can bring us a lot of self-confidence. It can bring us great health. And what it can, when we are in gratitude, so today we will be teaching or sharing a lot about how to be in gratitude, what are the areas to be in gratitude, and how can we practice. When I mean practice, you become good at what you practice. Gratitude has to be practiced at every step in our life. The more we say thank you, the more we say grateful for whatever it is, right from the minute we get up, we open our eyes, we should be in gratitude. Like I said, more than 10-20,000 people don't wake up the morning, they sleep the previous night. So let us first start. Why do we not remember to gratitude? Why are we not thankful? That is because of two reasons. One, because we have taken things for granted. हमारे पास जो है हम उसका शुक्र गुजार करने के बजाय सोचते हैं so what, I deserve more. We have become extremely greedy. We want more, not realizing what we have. And the second most important reason why we do not live in gratitude is because we are surrounded all along us. We are surrounded by people who are constantly complaining. Complaining has become a human nature, just like self-pity, it is addiction. You ask anybody, क्या हाल है? छोड़ यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, क्या हाल होगा, क्या हालत होएगी, और ये कोरोना ने हालत कर दिया, रेंट नहीं आ रहा है, पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं, खर्च हो रहे हैं. So people around us are constantly complaining. They are complaining about everything. They are complaining about the weather, गर्मी इतनी बढ़ गई है. They are complaining about the electricity bill. They are complaining about the illnesses. They are complaining about not being able to go out. So when you will complain, what will you get? So last week I had said a beautiful example which I will share with you all today. Let us assume all of you who have joined us today and people who are listening to us later, you must have got a sibling in the family, if not somebody whom you share your things with. And I will give you the example of my children, Nikhil and Akhil. Okay, these are my two boys. When they were young, I used to travel to different parts of the country for my business, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore. And every time I went out, my children used to tell me, Papa, when you come back, हमारे लिए कुछ लाना, हमारे लिए कुछ gift लाना. Okay? And as a father, even I felt कि चलो जा रहे हैं यार, बच्चों के लिए कुछ लेकर जाए. Now these two children, every time when I come back, I bring identical gifts for both of them. Okay? Apply this to your life, you and your sibling, brother, sister, chota, bada, no problem. Friend also. Apply this. Now, if we consider that if there is some almighty or the universe chalane wale Shakti, they are our father. Similarly, I am the father for Nikhil and Akhil, and I bring two Samsung phones for both my children. Okay? Now, the minute I enter the house, I call Nikhil and I say, Nikhil, here is what I bought for you from Delhi. This is a good Samsung phone. And then I call Akhil, Akhil, this is the phone that I bought for you. Now, both of them take the phone. I will not want to name, but one of them tells me, क्या पापा सैमसंग लेकर आए, क्या बेकार फ़ोन है, इसका ये भी अच्छा नहीं, वो भी नहीं अच्छा, आईफोन लेकर आते ना, आई वांटेड द आईफोन 6 और द आईफोन 7 और द आईफोन 11, उसका कैमरा इतना अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है. And he would crib and complain, while the other son of mine jumps in joy and says, wow papa, he hugs me, kisses me and tells me, thank you papa for bringing me this phone, I wanted it for so long. Now what do you feel will I as a father feel? When you as a father are being appreciated by one of your child and you are being cursed or hurt by the other person, kya papa, what bekar phone you bought, whom will I feel like gifting the next gift that I have with me? Obviously, isn't it obvious that I will love next time, even that time if I have something more, I'll say वो तो रोता रहता है, जब उसको मैंने कुछ भी लाके दिया है उसकी शिकायत खत्म ही नहीं होती, चल बेटा तू ये वाली दूसरी चीज भी ले ले. And next time when I am shopping, though my love for them is equal, but one of them lives in gratitude and appreciates everything that the heavenly, the almighty father does for him, and the other person cribs and complains about what a pain it is, why didn't I get this. Similarly, my friends, my communication to you is our almighty has gifted us with first birth. To be alive every single morning is the biggest gift to be in gratitude of. If we thank him for whatever it is, I am telling you, your life is going to transform. That is exactly what is called, they call as the law of attraction. You must have heard about it. If not, please read about it. It's a beautiful book called The Secret. This indeed is a secret. The universe gives more to people who are in gratitude, and the universe deprives people. Now, if you are in gratitude, the first thing that you can overcome is emotional pain. जितने भी आपको दुख दर्द परेशानियां हैं, जिस दिन से you start being शुक्रगुजार, being thankful for so many things, you will reduce your emotional pain. You will be able to cope with whatever new challenges life throws at you or gives you. You will look at your challenges as if they are opportunities God is giving you. Many of you or us have gone through some childhood wounds or memories of pain, like I shared in my story. All the childhood negativity will go away if we start in gratitude for our today, which is very, very good. That is why it is called, this gratitude is not a virtue alone, it's a magic. Jadoo. Sirf 21 days, 40 days. Make this a habit from today onwards. Say today is the 22nd. Just for the next 30 days till the end of June. Thank God for at least 10, 20, 100 things that you have in your life. Be thankful for all that is there. See your glass as half full. Stop comparing and complaining कि उसके पास ज़्यादा क्यों है. See what you have. You have a great body. You have a great life. You have great memories. You have great magic around you. And if you see that, it is said that energy flows where your thought goes. वही चीज़ कुदरत आपको देगी जिसके बारे में आप सारा वक्त सोचते रहेंगे. सो दो बच्चों की कहानी याद रखें और हर बार याद रखें कि वी हैव टू थैंक गॉड for whatever we have got, and God will give us more. Again, gratitude also works as a antiseptic cream. Every time there is a wound, you apply, God, thank you very much for whatever you did to me. It gave me an example of how to lead a better life, and it will heal all your wounds. All the negativity of your life will go if you just be thankful, be appreciative of everything that you have. And like I said, it is a habit that needs to be cultivated. How would you cultivate this habit now? How do we do that? I was recommended that there is something called a gratitude stone, which many trainers speak of. A very small pebble और a small stone. कहते हैं अगर पत्थर में आपको भगवान नज़र आ जाए तो आपकी सारी इच्छाएं वो पत्थर पूरी करेगा. So keep that small packet, small stone in your wallet, in your pocket of men, in the purse of women, and every time you touch it, remember it's God's message to be in gratitude. That time be thankful for the money that you have. Be thankful for whatever facility or service that you have. And by that way, you will start appreciating things. Whenever people come to you with a complaint and they say, when people tell me, boss, how are you feeling? My mama taught me something better than yesterday. I am amazing. So that is one habit that I have cultivated. Secondly, people cry, धंधा नहीं है. और ऐसे कहते हैं कि रोते रोते धन बढ़ता है. I don't think रोते रोते परेशानी बढ़ती है. So अगर मेरे को लोग बोलते हैं super, top of the world, it can't be better. This is the best that can happen. So even if something is not okay, sometimes you start feeling यार तो क्या हुआ, ये तो सब ठीक है. And this, I will also prove it to you that it has been proven that gratitude does not work wonders only on living beings. Gratitude plays magic also on non-living things. It plays magic on water. So there is this one Dr. Masaru Emoto of Japan. Dr. Masaru Emoto of Japan has created a practice of holding 2 glasses of water, keeping them, or 2 bottles of water, and every morning for the next 5 minutes you appreciate, praise, be in gratitude and thank the water and drink the water, saying that your job is to clean and cure me of all the illnesses. And I am telling you that that will start doing magic. Similarly, just to prove the point, Dr. Masaru Emoto has said, in another glass of water, just curse the water. You abuse it, shit, kya hai, wo hai. And then you drink that water, I am telling you, your illnesses will increase. Similarly to plants, you have multiple windows in your house, plant 2 small bowls with any kind of plant. It could be as basic of a money plant or a tulsi plant like you see behind me. And every time you water it or you touch it, just give it gratitude and say, thank you Tulsi ji, you are coming to my house, I'll be using you for my health, and every time you go within my body, please pure all the toxins, please clean for me. And a similar date, similar water put in another window, and every time you curse it, you say, shit यार क्या रोज इसको पानी देना पड़ता है, बड़ी भी नहीं होती है, क्या फ़ायदा, तुलसी बाहर से लेकर आओ, अच्छा. You curse it, and in less than 30 days you will see the growth in these 2 tulsis. I have tried it before sharing it with you. This is not something that cooking. It is said when your mother cooks the meal, she does not only cook a meal, she puts her heart in it. She is in gratitude. She thanks God for the children she has in the family. And that is why it is recommended in Indian families that the ladies of the house should make the khana. And बाहर से cook मंगाओ, होटल से खाना खाओ, तो आपके अंदर वो purities, वो energy, वो भाव, that human connection may not be there. I am not depriving you of anything. Please don't get me wrong. It's okay to go out and eat, but this is something very, very valuable. Also, I have done a class of Manoj Lekhi ji, who runs a beautiful program called the Magic of Gratitude. So he does this online program. Our brain is such a mechanism that it exactly knows what it wants, and it exactly also knows what it does not want. So let us use that beautiful stanza and start using what Manoj ji says as something called prepaid gratitude, जो हम रोज सवेरे उठते ही, as soon as we open our eyes, the first thing is thank you God for today morning. Thank you that I'm starting the day in a beautiful way, which is prepaid before the day begins, and I hope you will take care of me throughout the day. And in the evening, he says, when you go to bed, just do a half a minute postpaid. Thank you, God, for such a lovely day. Again, being in gratitude. You threw a few challenges, some of which I could handle, some of which I couldn't. Try this for a few days. Do it with what you have. Do not worry. Do not compare. How to do it? So, like I say, Manoj ji had once given us this beautiful book which he calls the Gratitude Journal. See, this is how it is, my gratitude journal. Okay, in this I have got many categories. I will start how I give gratitude and whom I give gratitude to. So I will start this beautiful practice every morning. What I would do is I would first start by being in gratitude to myself, to my body. And in my body, what I would start with is I will start the most important part, like I said in my other class, the liver. Thank you for a lovely liver that allows me to digest everything and take care of everything. My digestive system, my respiratory systems, then my muscles for me to talk, each and every part of my body. Literally, when you're brushing your teeth early in the morning, be in gratitude to what a lovely face you have, lovely hair you got. You can speak so well, you can see so well, you have a lovely heart which is beating, you have a kidney. I know you may find it very boring, but I'm saying just for 40 days, just try this magic. See how wonderful it helps you. And if it doesn't help you, it's okay to stop it. But I'm telling you, this is a never fail antiseptic. It can cure you of multiple things. That is why I say you have to cultivate this, just as people have cultivated the habit of being crying. So thank your body for your ideal weight. Then start thanking your parents. Thank your mother and father for all the great food that they serve to you in your house. Thank your father for the education that you have been given. Thanks to him. Without your father paying, so many people do not have money to pay. Thanks for your sister or your sibling. Thanks to your cousins who have helped you evolve, who have taught you how to share, to survive in this planet which you assume. So continue doing gratitude to each and everything. Say thank you to every small thing that's happening in your life, for the faith and trust that your parents have when you go out. Your friends, you have to be indebted, grateful to all your school friends, your school teachers, your principal, the peon, the bus driver in whose bus you went every day. And if I talk of gratitude, you can go on and on. कितने चीज़ों का thank you बोलोगे? And I am not telling you say thank you, say it so that you cultivate this habit that whenever some negativity comes, you have the power and the courage and the habit of saying, just as we have this habit of saying, oh shit, let's say, oh Lord, oh thank you God, oh thank you. So instead of using our curses, let's be in gratitude to our best friends. Like I am in gratitude to my friend Mukesh Bhargav, Mahendra Karkera. I am in gratitude to my friend Lakshman Bhatija. These people have contributed so much. My cousins Rajesh, Suresh, Naresh, Sanjeev, Sachin, Anik, Nimesh, they all have contributed. I am thankful. Without them, I wouldn't be what I am today. So every time I meet them, I thank them for their role in my life. My team members, they are something that I will never forget. I can narrate Sadanand Pawar. He came to me when he was 16. It has been he is now 52, over 37 years. He has served me sincerely. Literally, I, out of respect, call him Sada Bhau or Sada Dada, because he is like that brother without whom. Thanking Anil, my other team member, thanking Ashok, if he's watching today, I'm sure he is, or Deepak. These people have contributed so majorly. I am in gratitude to each one of them. I am in gratitude to my spiritual master. He has brought into me so much of calmness, so much of acceptance, so much of peace. He is the one who taught me how to meditate, how to be content, how to be useful to everybody, how to share. So that is one other area. My seva gives me so much contentment. Thanks to my profession. Yes, I have multiple businesses. Thanks to each and every of my businesses, my shop Zaveri in Swikar, collection in Zaveri Bazaar, my education company, my training sessions, Ion Energy, pharmaceutical companies, and I am thankful. Without them, I wouldn't be enjoying so many luxuries. And whenever I see these words, I say don't just say them, write them down. Trust me, writing down your gratitude journal will create magic. Don't do it for me. I am saying try kariye, because when you write, you used to parts of your body. You use your eyes and you use your hands, and when you're writing, I am saying express it. Rather than telling somebody else that so and so is good, go and express it to that person and tell them, boss, I am thankful. It may seem very odd, it may seem awkward. If you really want to thank your family members, don't feel shy of your mother, don't feel shy of your father. वो क्या सोचेंगे? Trust me, go to your mother right now, go to your father instantly and tell them you love them. If you feel any great things about me, or even if you want to say something to me, don't hesitate. मैं क्या सोचूंगा उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Need be, invite people for coffee, invite them for a meal out, take them out and express your gratitude. When you come back home, I'm telling you, you'll feel light like a feather. You'll thank technology. Don't curse your phone. हम तो उठते हैं नींद से, अलार्म बजता है, फ़ोन का अलार्म बजता है, उसको भी कर्स करते हैं. क्या साला इतना जल्दी बज गया, चल बंद कर. We'll put a snooze button, yes. We put it on a snooze and then we curse it. So why is it that we curse even the mobile phone, जिसके सिवाय हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते? We curse the internet just in case it's sometimes not working sometimes. So yes, thank technology, thank your iPhone, thank your computers, and every vehicle that takes you from point A to point B. Your dreams wouldn't be fulfilled. So thank electricity, thank the AC. अगर कभी लाइट बंद होती है तो पता चलता है. Like I always say, I will remind you one more time. You value things before you have them and after you lose them. Please, if you can just shift this and be in gratitude of all that you have. A nail. If you were to break a nail, how much pain it will cost you, you guys have no idea. So be in gratitude of this nail, yeah? It is where it should be. It's not hurting you. Isn't it true? Isn't it? So please try doing that. Be in gratitude to nature, these beautiful plants, this music, this beautiful fragrance, oxygen which is free of you. Thank you, God, for such a great, lovely weather, the beaches, the mountains, the green plants, and every fruit that God has bestowed us with. Now coming to last but least, gratitude for your wealth. Every time you spend or give away your currency, give it with love. Thank you, my dear currency. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे सिवाय. Sing that to every currency that goes. Give it with gratitude and you will see that it is amazingly beautiful. Love all your assets. Don't curse yourself for certain mistakes that you have done. Start by saying thank you at least 10 times. You will not go to sleep by saying thank you at least 10 times every day. This is my request to each one of you. Today I respect sincerely, in gratitude, I am thankful to each one of you for the valuable time that you have invested in spending with me. All the time and love that you guys have given me, I am indebtful to you. Every student who has participated in my class, each one of you, I have called out your name or not, Kumari, Pooja, and all my other students who are here and have ever attended, and I am trying my best to make a small difference to your beautiful young lives. And I am so grateful that all the knowledge that has been passed on to me by my masters, by my mentors, by my parents, by my friends is all accumulated. I have been gifted with the art to be able to express it and bring it out to you. Thanks to Malvika, who has empowered and pushed me to do this, and all of you who have been consistently coming to my sessions time and again. Like I said, if I had an expectation of 10, 20 and you guys are coming in hundreds and thousands, I don't know what, some good karma I must have done that I am not deserving of all this. All the same, Roop, Chandni, you guys are just simply awesome. Sarita, Mona, I am extremely grateful. आज तो मुझे रोना आ रहा है खुशी के मारे कि आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया है. Do not take it for granted. Just like the FM radio, every time you hold on to a station and then you listen to the music that you want, similarly the Wi-Fi which connects and comes to you for so many facilities that you want, Trust me, the law of attraction and the law of gratitude works just like these invisible forces and brings about a lot of positivity in your lives. Bye bye. Take care. Love you. Have a great week. End.